Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 23 Subaru BRZ stock in a 6566. It's from the 10th 21 to the current shape. It has a FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FA24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,